Hello everyone, this is Yahya again from evyCoding. Hope you are doing good. Today we have a CodeWars problem, find the missing letter. Write a method that takes an array of consecutive or increasing letters as an input and that returns the missing letter in this array. So the idea is like we have an array of letters like ordered in a increasing or like letter order. So we should find the missing letter. Well, you will always get an invalid array, so we will always get an array of letters, so we don't need to check if there is, for example, some special characters or numbers, and it will be always exactly one letter to be missing. So we will always have a missing letter, so we should not take care of, for example, like test cases or error expectations. And also, the length of this array will always be at least 2. The array will always contains the letters in only one case. So we have the constraints of this array, of the length of this array, and also we have the what this array could contains, which is only like uppercase or lowercase letters. Also we have the examples A, B, C, D, E, F, so the missing is E, and also so on for the second example. Let's take our paints, and then we have here an array which contains a bunch of letters A, B, C, and A. For example, the missing letter is D for sure. So the method to solve this problem is, first of all, we will take a variable called first, let's call it first, is equal to array at 0. So this is the first one. And then we will have a for loop which starts from a integer I equals to 1. And then we will do a condition which is I is less from the, for example, the array size, and then the incrementation which is I++. So this is our for loop. The first condition is the source, or for example, the heart of this problem. Well, let's take, for example, first, in this case, first is equal to A, which is the first element in this array. We will have A. The condition is if first plus 1, so the incrementation of first is different from array at I. So this is our condition. In this case, we have first plus 1, A plus 1, which should gives us B. So that's it. So first plus 1 is equal to B. In this case, A plus 1 is equal to B, and then array at 1, which is the first index in this loop, which is 1, is also B. So for sure, so else, which is in the case they are both equal, so first is equal to array at I. So this is the first one, the last condition, which is the else condition, and the main condition is for the main statement is based on this condition, which is first plus 1 is different from array at I. So, and then B plus 1 is equal to C. Yes, it's for sure the index of the second one. So we are ranging from 1 and then 2. So of course the element at index 2, which is C, it's here, and then first, which is in this case B, plus 1, which is C, so they are equal, and then we continue. And then the source one, we have C plus 1 should gives us D. So this one we should get D. But array at I is equal to E. So this is the difference. So first plus 1 is different from array plus 1. So we should do return first plus 1. So that's it. This is the solution of this one. This is the solution of this problem. So let's write it down and then check it. So first of all, we have a character variable, which is char. Let's call it first. First is equal to characters are charged at 0. This is the first statement. And then we have a for loop starting from I is equal to 1, and then I is less than charge dot size, which gives us the size of this vector, for example, in this case, and then the condition. So if first plus 1 is different from charge at I, we should of course return first plus 1. And then the test case, else first, so we are changing the value of first. First is equal to charge at I. And that's it. This is the code of, or the solution for this problem. And also we should always get a missing letter. So just for a proper manner of writing this function, we should return a space, for example, here, and then launch this problem. And of course we should get a pass for the test cases, and then the attempt. Of course we will get all the test cases valid. Yes, we get work on lists of 2, of size of 2, then size of 3, list sizes of random sizes, and that's it. We should submit it, and of course we have solved this problem. Thank you very much, everyone. I hope you got this point, you got this problem, and that's it.